Dolores is doing a very good job of it. This is the Dominica Amateur Radio Club on the banks of the White River, having our club picnic once a year, anniversary club picnic. Some people have been working too hard and are fast asleep. These are the hard workers that are fast asleep. They're trying to catch up on their rest. Beautiful rugged island that we have here. This river can be very erratic. It may rise very quickly if there's a shower. So we have to keep an eye on it. There's Pascal, J7 for Papa Alpha Papa in his glory. That's J73 Mike in there, J73, oh boy, I forgot to call sign. Lima Romeo Charlie, the YL. And with the sunglasses on her head, J73 Hotel Golf. Yeah, that's Hotel Golf. Lima Romeo Charlie. Mike, Sierra Mike Bravo, behind waving Victor Whiskey. Who else we got here? Golf Mike. Golf Hotel, the bald head with his big broad back turned to us. Echo Whiskey with the cap on. Foxtrot Charlie. OM of Lima Romeo Charlie. And there's a mini version of Foxtrot Charlie. That's one of their sons, their only child, I think. Yeah. And he's curious about the camera. He's gonna come my way and give me some trouble now.
I'm a see for
What do you want to see? That's Madhava cooling off, my little beluga. And he doesn't like the camera. Okay, we're on our way to the waterfall. And that's the crew coming up back there. Okay, we're heading up the river again. Let me just run the video a little bit while we go up the river. We're going this way. Come. Very rugged road. This is the hardcore group. All the others stay back at the comfortable picnic site. This is a group to the waterfall. Let's get a good shot of the group to the waterfall. There they are. The stalwarts. The tough, the rough. Good.
Fantastical!
Here they come. Here they come. Okay, if you look up there, you'll see the waterfall. Just go to the edge there, you can see the waterfall. Eh? Victoria Waterfall. You guys see the waterfall? Helen, keep going that way. Yeah, just on the left there. Move it. You can do it. Look up, you'll see the waterfall. Oh, good. We're going too fast for you? Are we going too fast for you? Eh? No? Okay. Boy, aba Sarah, where papa? The beautiful Victoria Waterfalls. Wee-hoo! What a place to come for an anniversary picnic. Hey, why are you going up there? Pass under. Yeah, we're gonna do monitor them there. We will now proceed to go up through there and over to the pool. It's a little tacky, but for a little bit of supervision, we'll get them all there.
We're gonna get it back to coming. Somebody's coming behind. We can't wait. Oh no. I don't think it's passing over. There you go.
Don't worry about dung. We have a few more stragglers behind. People waving down there. Pascal getting brushed off by Dolores. Yeah, you can hear the power of it, eh? Yeah, the rest of the picnic crew. You copy Juliet 73 Charlie in there at the waterfall? Okay, fine. Foxtrot Charlie, most of us have gotten there. Just Gary's just getting here with the two other YLs. So that's, is there anybody after Gary? He left alone or with someone?
He left alone.
Okay, fine business. So we'll look out for him. Some people can't believe that they make it this way, but they do with a little persuasion. No, 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 you're almost there. Be careful with the clay around there, it's real slippery, okay? Get down low. Get down low, get down low. Use your hands. Go in 4-limb drive. Get down and use the hand. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Don't do that. You don't want to do that. Put a long step across here. Put a long step. Long step.
Yeah?
Yeah, and grab me. And put a foot right up. Right up. No, 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 not there. Change feet. Change feet. Yes, that's it.
Oh, I'm there.
Careful, and go down low there. It's real slippery. And don't slip when you step down. Yeah, now a long step across there. Long step. Yes. And up. Give me the next hand.
That's a climb. I don't believe that.
Kids are having a wonderful time in the pool. Hey. of splashing going on. DSJ. You haven't done something like that for a long time, huh? Do you have anything to say about the picnic?
I've enjoyed most of it so far.
Not all of it?
No,
Why not?
but as soon as I got there, I was very upset.
You were too anxious.
Probably.
Yeah, but now that you've come and you've settled down.
Very, very long for this moment.
Okay, well I hope you have enjoyed it.
Oh my God.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh yes, I enjoyed it.
Okay, good. This is one crew heading back. There's Golf Mike taking a picture of me and I'm taking a picture of him. This is the most enthusiastic, Werner's daughter, the most enthusiastic coordinated hiker. She can go anywhere, anytime, for any period of time. She's a good one. There's the rest of the picnickers.
What is Pascal camera? Pascal didn't want to fall in water.
Hey, Papa. We're back. We're back at the picnic site. And there's a lot of picnickers. Here, right? Waterfall, and they're now going to have their little picnic. And
having some snack, and he's really where he wants to be. That's about it for Pascal. Pascal, wave at us. Pascal. Pascal, wave at us.
What?
just about ready to pull out. People are loading up. Boy, that's a seriously. Give us a little smile and say,
Boy.
just because you're a happy DRC member.
Everybody, babe. I give you sweat. That's success. Yes.
Alpha Alpha Sir, your stomach looking jack, boy.
I want to.
Oh, that's so much kids.
Yeah.
Shamu!
You can't feel all one day.
But we can see the Caribbean from up here. It's clearing up.
Yeah, oh yeah. Did you meet some of the
Some of
US?
Coming, people. We're gonna have